slab for the swimming pool at the clubhouse. It's a fairly major pool, 63 cubic metres. As you can see, we've got the penetrations made for the skylights, which will be at the base of the swimming pool and allow sunlight into the corridor which connects to the rocks. This concrete pool is a major milestone for us on this project.
This rock has been identified by a local Brahmin monk as having a Buddha's footprint on it, so we're being extremely careful.
What we have now is the drilling operation to separate the top of the footprint rock away from the base of the rock. They will then move to the next stage, which is lifting the top of the rock away from the base so that it can be cast into its permanent position.